Have you ever felt like learning English is taking forever? What if I told you there is a smarter, faster way to master it? Yes, artificial intelligence is here to revolutionize how we learn English. From perfecting your pronunciation to boosting your fluency. AI is making learning easier and more exciting than ever before. So, Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, I am Sarah Mehroze. I hope you are feeling great, enjoying your days. So, welcome back to English Mastery with Mehroze. So, in today's video, I am going to reveal how AI is transforming English learning and how you can use it to speak fluency and confidently. Trust me, some of these tips will blow your mind. So, stick around until the end and don't miss out. How AI is revolutionizing English learning. Imagine having a personal English tutor available 24 hours 7. Someone who never gets tired, gives you instant feedback, and helps you learn faster than ever. That's what AI is doing right now. But how does it work and why it is so effective? Let's dive into it. Part number 1. What is AI in language learning? First thing first, what exactly is AI in language learning? Artificial intelligence use advanced algorithms to analyze your strengths, weaknesses, and learning patterns. Based on that, it creates personalized lessons, corrects your mistakes, and even help you practice speaking with confidence. For example, apps like Duolingo use AI to adapt lessons to your level, while tools like Grammarly correct your writing instantly. AI is not just teaching you, it's learning about you to help you improve faster. Pretty cool, right? Part number 2. 5 ways AI is revolutionizing English learning. Let's talk about the top 5 ways AI is changing the game for English learners like you and me. AI tools adapt to your level. Whether you are a beginner or advanced learner, they create lessons that match your pace. Apps like Grammarly or Elsa Speak give you real-time corrections. No waiting for a teacher. You get instant guidance. Speaking practice anytime. Shy to practice English with real people? Okay. Chatbot powered by AI like ChatGPT help you practice conversations without fear of judgment. Real-time translation. Tools like Google Translate use AI to help you understand English words and phrases instantly, making it easier to learn in real time. Gamified learning. AI makes learning fun with games and challenges. Apps like Mehroze or Quizlet turn studying into an exciting experience. Part number 3: Success Stories and Benefits. Still wondering if AI is worth it? Let me share some quick success stories. Take Sarah, for example, a student who used Elsa speak daily and improve her pronunciation in just 2 months. Arman, who built his writing confidence with Grammarly and landed his dream job. AI is breaking barriers and making English accessible to everyone, no matter your location, level, or background. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Part number 4: Future of AI in English Learning. The best is yet to come. Alright, in the near future, AI could fully immersive virtual classrooms where you practice English in real world scenarios. Imagine wearing a VR headset and walking through a virtual New York City, speaking English with AI powered characters. The possibilities are endless. So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace AI to supercharge your English learning journey? So, let me know in the comments below which AI tools you are most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big like, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tips and tools to master English. And hey, if you know someone who's struggling with English, share this video with them. It might just change their life. Definitely. So, dear friends, remember, mastering English is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with AI, you have the smartest tool right in your fingertips. So, see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye.